This is a video tutorial about getting rid of the online scam related to the website Bamorlan.xyz. Bamorlan.xyz is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of the computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Bamorlan.xyz, don't tolerate them. Leave this deceptive page. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other types of infections which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.